In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Hostinger's hPanel to enable SSH access. If you're managing a website or planning to dive deeper into web hosting management, learning how to enable SSH or Secure Shell access is a crucial skill. This method gives you secure remote access to your server, allowing for greater control and management of your hosting environment. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the process. First, we need to access the Hostinger hPanel. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hostinger homepage at hpanel.hostinger.com. This is the central hub where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your account credentials, such as your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to sign up to access all the functionalities Hostinger offers. After you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options that allow you to manage different aspects of your websites. What you'll want to do next is click on the Websites tab on the dashboard. This section provides an overview of all the websites that you've hosted under your Hostinger account. It's like your command center where you can glance at everything you are managing. Next, on this page, you'll see a section labeled Dashboard for the specific website you wish to manage. It's important to note that each website you host has its own dashboard. By clicking on this option, you're taking a step further into the configuration settings of your chosen website, giving you more control over the technical aspects. Now that you're in the dashboard, look for the Advanced option. This is where many of the more technical settings and features are tucked away. It might seem intimidating if you're new, but don't worry, you'll gain confidence as you navigate these options more regularly. Within the Advanced section, the next thing you want to do is to find and click on SSH Access. This is one of the more powerful tools available to you here, allowing you direct command line access to your server. This advanced feature is crucial for more in-depth server management tasks you might need to perform. Finally, once you're in the SSH access settings, you'll need to click on IP. This is the last step we need to accomplish today. By accessing this section, you'll be able to configure your SSH access setup, allowing you to securely manage your server. It's as simple as that. And with these steps, you've enabled SSH access through Hostinger, allowing you secure and efficient management of your web hosting environment. Remember, with each of these steps, the more you practice, the more familiar that they'll become. If you have any questions or encounter issues, Hostinger's customer support is always there to help. Thank you for watching today's guide, and happy hosting!